Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. I'm actually just heading to school today. It's a Saturday and I just wanted to make a video because I also got some deliveries I'm doing. I need to top up my coolant as well. I actually sell the products myself on my website. Link in the description if y'all want to get anything. This is a carbon fiber steering wheel, so that's the same one I have on right now. And I'm selling some muffler tips today as well, some carbon tips. I have the same ones on my car, but just not this color. I have the black ones, as y'all can see. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Someone's coming to pick this up right now as well. Give y'all a little walk around too. I kind of pulled up in this little spot. It is a loading zone. I should not even be parked here, but that's looking pretty nice though. That actually looks so fire. Once this car is lowered, that exhaust is everything, I swear. I was taking hella videos. My fingers are freezing. Look at that. It's just a sick little spot. I don't know what about it, but my car looks good there. So I was doing a bunch of like cinematics for reels, and I'm most likely gonna throw one in this video. It looks crazy though. Perfect evening, perfect car. Just not perfect weather. That would be too good to be true, but that's just a little car guy thing though. I feel like my attention gets caught by the most random things, but y'all know the vibe though. Y'all know the feeling if y'all are into cars like that. Alright, enough of me messing around. Look at that 4 Series right there. Probably a 435 or a 440.
You put in the coolant like just like how you put in all your
windshield washer. Yeah, it's the same way kind of. The car has to cool down, so I gotta let this cool down a little bit before I do it. Drive.
It's grippy, huh?
Yeah, it's all-wheel drive. That's why. Oh shit, that's why it's changing itself. But yeah, we pulling up in school right now. It is mad late, but there's a game going on, so we gonna see what's up. Yo, we're actually here later than this always, but we never like come to school at this time. Like just got here, eh?
On a weekend.
Yeah, on a weekend. It is snowing though, so I can't be doing nothing too much. I should just slipping. I'm gonna just park in this spot, eh? This is where we always be chilling out at school. Just like a little chill area. You can get drinks and shit if you want. And then the games are like all the way down there. Oh shit. Nah, I'm hella crooked. Look at this shit. I'm not fixing it. Hell nah. Damn, G. Everyone here too. This shit does not feel like a weekend. It's because there's a game though. That's why. This shit low-key popping. It's fun to watch this stuff. Alright y'all, I actually left school right now because there was not much to do. Oh my boy. This boy drives slow as Alright boys, I don't know if y'all would believe me if I say I am just on my way home. It's 7:42 a.m. I was actually just gonna be like, nah, screw this video. Damn, I was just gonna say screw this video. Look at that house, bro. G. But yeah, I was just gonna ditch the video because I was like, damn, I did not record nothing last night. Because the last clip y'all saw, it was pitch black, and now it's morning. Everyone's probably thinking it's too early for this shit. The roads look cool though. I do like how the snow looks. I just don't like the fact that I can't do much to my car when it's snowing. Just a couple more pulls. But yeah, I'm just doing a couple more pulls before I end the video off because it is mad early. I feel like there's gonna be school buses and definitely cops. But I hope y'all enjoying the video though, even though it's kind of like all over the place. Imagine that was a cop. It is not even 8 o'clock yet. But shit, hopefully I'll enjoy the video though. Thank y'all for watching. Catch you guys again in the next one.